We are unfortunately aware of many students and many teachers who had a really difficult time or success in accessing the platform. So we've been hard at work through our data center to establish, number one, the cause of the problem, determine the cause, and obviously then seek solutions. One thing we've identified, the cause of the challenge, the main cause of the challenge, was not platform related. The content is there, even though we are aware of some teachers who for a period of time, maybe due to a connectivity issue, had lost the content. It was restored throughout the day. The biggest cause of the problem centers around a third-party switch provided by Cisco that basically brings internet connectivity to our system, which then is piped out to every single school. We now have an army of Cisco engineers who have been able to penetrate our server to fix the problem. Obviously, without connectivity, without access to the internet, our portal, our employee portal, our teacher portal, our student portal, our parent portal does not function. Therefore, as a result of that loss of connectivity, and we began detecting first a slowdown of access early morning, so there was a latency issue, but then it worsened to a point where, and we knew that probably this was not a capacity issue because we still could not access the portal, even though we knew that connectivity for students was basically nullified. So we are still at this point. Unfortunately, we know what the problem is, but we do not have, as of yet, and I want to be perfectly clear and honest, one of the greatest disappointments for me as superintendent, that we do not have yet a solution. The engineers at Cisco, they spent hours alongside our team to identify the problem. They know what the problem is. It is, again, an external connectivity, intranet, switch access to our school system, without which the signal of internet does not penetrate into our data center. If that signal does not come into our data center, it does not get piped out to the schools.